The SharePickers Investment Club is a members-only website run by me, where investors of all abilities can improve their skills by using the resources on the website. There's only 2 realistic ways that most people can create their own wealth. And I say realistic because I'm not including a lottery win here. That isn't realistic. Number 1, own a successful business. Number 2, own a share of a successful business. This club is about finding these successful businesses that outperform their peers and the market. In short, it's about finding and investing in businesses that will hopefully provide you with a multiple return on your initial investment. For many years, I've been tracking and analysing exceptional companies. Many of them have experienced their share price rising by 1,000% or more. And the funny thing is, I found that these companies all possessed 5 similar traits. The MicroCap League on the website is a system where 100 companies that fit some of these traits are analysed across 20 different metrics and ranked accordingly. In short, the companies at the top of this list possess the best risk-reward profile, meaning the risk is quite small, but the reward isn't. The MicroCap League is just one section of the website. I'll run you through some others. If you become a member, you'll also get my free investment book. In this book, I talk about my backstory and the what, when, how strategy. I outline my successes and failures that have shaped this strategy. On the website, there's also access to the learning section, where there's videos on fundamental analysis, how to read income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements. Also a section on technical analysis, how to set up charts, identify trends and ranges, and how to set up the most effective alerts. Plus, on the blog section of the website, I post when I make a new investment, show you my holdings, my exposure to each company, their performance, and where my stop losses are. Also, there's my watch list, which is a list of companies I'm watching with the intention of buying if they fit or fulfill certain criteria. There's also a section dedicated to microcap news. It filters out all the news from companies that aren't relevant to the strategy. There's also a live weekly webinar. Don't miss this. Every Wednesday evening, I talk about different aspects of investing, portfolio management, stocks I hold, or those on my watch list, or analyze companies with news out over the last 7 days that may be of interest. The webinar is recorded and always available on the website. There's also a dedicated chat forum for members with channels for companies of interest. If you want to become a better investor, as this is the aim of the club, then you can become a member by going to SharePickers.com, or if you'd just like to read more about the club and claim your free cheat sheet on how to avoid the 3 most common mistakes most investors make, then go to SharePickers.com/subscribe.